you know, nagsisinungaling si Alejandro when he said that galing sa government funds ang t-shirt na nilagay sa kit. So, yan yung sinasabi ko kagabi pa na kine-question nila yung isang candidate na sinusuportahan ng HNP about honesty. So what shall we do about Alejandro who is lying in his teeth about his dishonesty? Sinasabi ko sa kanilang lahat, walang isang kandidato dyan na hindi nagsisinungaling, kaya hindi dapat nagiging issue ang honesty.